Hello everyone! Welcome and welcome back. Today I'll be sharing with you my first Christmas unboxing. So before I show you what I want to open, my first Christmas present that I want to share with you, I would like to thank my dear friend Petite Bag Lover from Instagram who gave me this very beautiful gift. I'm so very happy she gave me an early Christmas gift, and now, even though Christmas is still a week away, I decided to open it together with you guys. So first, I have inside this gift bag is a Christmas card. So I would not be reading this here, sorry. I will be reading this later. So another thing inside this bag, this gift bag, is this one, a pillow. This is so beautiful. This has this print of Jesus the shepherd with Mother Mary with a prayer at the back. So this is so nice. She got this from a mountain. I forgot the name of the mountain she bought it from. Pillow that I will not be using. I will just be preserving this design. I will be keeping this in my collection. Thank you. I really love this one. Next, I have here, she gave me 360 red. This is Peri Ellie. For women, this is a body mist. Let's smell. Oh, it smells really nice. I honestly prefer using body mist compared to perfumes. This is really smells really nice. Thank you. I really love this one. Love the color as well. Then she gave me another one. This is 360 Peri Ellie for women. Another body mist spray. And let me smell again. Wow. Another beautiful smell. Thank you. Thank you. I love this one as well. I will use it. Next, I have here a thin pouch from Coach. I really love the color as well. It's really neutral. I am eyeing this thin pouch for a while, and I'm so happy I was gifted one. The thing that I noticed about this pouch is this one, the extension of the zipper up to this side, because most of the thin wallets, they stop at this portion. For example, that you have to browse inside or look at the things inside, but because of this one, it is extended to this side, so it is easier to get things inside. And it has a beautiful interior lining as well. It has this care instructions, care card. So simple, but I think that many things will fit inside this one as well. And I really love the design. So simple, and it will match almost any outfit or bag. And the inside, it is made from Vietnam. So beautiful. This is the first color, like a tan or nude. This is a nude color, and it will perfectly match any bags, in any bags. And the zippers are very smooth to open gold zippers. I love this one. Thank you again, my dear friend. And I have a last thing inside this bag. This is from Michael Kors, a pouch. I think it's a makeup pouch. So beautiful color, so like powdery, light colored pink. And if you can see very well, look at the details of the logo. It is not gold, but it is in rose gold, like a pinkish gold. It's hard to focus, sorry. Let's try to focus. You can see, I don't know if the color, it doesn't really show rose gold, but in actual it is like a pinkish gold. So beautiful, like a pinkish gold. And it has this engravings, Michael Kors, on the zipper pull. So pretty. The gold is so pretty. Let's open. So the inside, it has this lining. It has this logo also, and has this another logo here, and it has this care card. And let's see what it is called. This item is called, this from Michael Kors. It is a jet set travel. It is a travel pouch, and the color is called Blossom. LG travel pouch, leather. It is made from leather. So the color is called Blossom. So very, looks very, I really love this pouch. The color is really lovely, looks very girly and dainty. And even the bottom, look at the bottom, it is wide, so I can put many things inside of this one. So beautiful. My first ever Michael Kors in my collection, and I'm so happy. It is in my favorite color. So I really want to thank again my dear friend from Instagram, Petite Bag Lover, for giving me this beautiful gifts, Christmas gifts, advanced Merry Christmas gifts, and for sharing me her blessings, some of her blessings. And I really hope for God to bless her more with more blessings to come in this New Year's 2021. So I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please give me a thumbs up, please subscribe, please click on the notification bell, and let's always thank God for the blessings. Till next time.